our kitchen. Elena and Elsa. Yeah.
Oh my dear. Hi guys.
What are you doing?
Today I feel myself gardener. Do you know I love plants?
Mom, this plant is gone. What are you doing?
No, it's not go on. Look at the blossom.
Where?
Yeah, a little blossom.
It's dried up. It's dying. It's gone.
No.
You just need to take it off.
Really?
Eh,
Oh. And so?
So what have you been doing with this plant?
I've been talking to the plant. Always I talk.
You talk with the plant.
Yes. I have the green thumb. Do you know the green thumb? What is mean? What is mean?
No, I don't know. I don't want to know.
No. When I touch a plant, this plant grow beautiful. Yes, you know perfectly. And I have to save this plant because this plant is a gift from my friends.
Mom, I think this plant is gone and you should stop talking to the plant. Maybe you can talk to me if you need to talk to someone.
I could cut some.
Okay, cut it and then chuck it in the bin.
No.
What are you keeping a plant here for that is not going to do anything anymore? You're just making a sofa even more.
This was so beautiful.
It was.
It was.
Not now.
Yes.
Now it's just a stick.
The stick.
That's it.
2 sticks. I put another stick.
What are we cooking today?
Today we cooking a casserole.
Beef.
Beef.
Yeah.
Beef casserole. A modo nostro. One way.
Our way.
Our way.
So it's beef casserole, our way. Can we start with ingredients?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start with the ingredients. We have 2 large brown onions
Affettate.
sliced. We have 1 kilo of beef casserole that has been diced. We have what? 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter of red wine.
Secco. Non
dry.
amabile.
Yeah. We have some basil and 400 grams of diced tomato,
Yes.
700 grams of potatoes.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah. Let's start cooking.
Yeah. The beef, it's better if is with a little of
Fat.
fat.
Okay, because then it melts well.
Yes.
And it makes
yes.
the sauce nicer.
Yes.
Okay. Let's
That's
start.
it?
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start.
Like.
So we're gonna start with our usual 2-3 tablespoons of oil,
20 grams.
20 grams of butter, and as soon as the butter is melt, we're gonna add the onions. Onions are ready, so we're gonna add the, what did I say? Butter and oil are ready, so I'm gonna add the onions and I'm gonna add the fresh basil that I'm just gonna break with my hands. I don't know if it's true or not, but somebody said to me that, probably you,
Yes.
that you need to break the basil with your hands and not with the scissors because it's gonna make it
They lose
what?
the flour. The flour? The flour?
flavor.
They flavor.
Okay. Now we just need to let the onion caramelize, and when it will be ready, we'll add the beef. Okay, so the onions are ready, so we're gonna add the beef now. And we let it seed and cook for 5-10 minutes. Okay, so now that the beef is seared, we're gonna add the wine and let it evaporate. Okay, so we let the wine evaporate, and once that's ready, probably 5 minutes max, and then we're gonna add the tomato. Okay, now we're gonna add the diced tomato. Add some salt and pepper. So if we're going to cook this the traditional way, you just need to let it simmer for at least an hour. You may want to add some more water. We are going to use a pressure cooker, so we definitely need to add some water now. The quantity of water, if you're using pressure cooker, needs to get to right in line with the meat. As you can see, I think we can just put it to cook. So we can hear the whistle from the pressure cooker, so we're now gonna count 35 minutes. Okay, the beef is ready. Let's open up. Let's check it out. So it looks good. Ready. So what we'll do now, because we're gonna cook the potatoes on the side, what we'll do is we take the meat out with a little bit of sauce, and then we add the potatoes in and we'll let them cook. Again, because we're using pressure cooker, we'll put it for 12 minutes from the whistle. So we're getting our beef and we're gonna put it in a plate. Okay, so now we added the potatoes. I add a bit more water, probably a glass, just because I need the water to be almost even, same level of the potatoes. And now I'm gonna put them to cook for 12 minutes from the whistle. It could be 10 because they're already cut into pieces, but we'll say 12 to make sure they're fully cooked. Okay, the potatoes are ready. Let's open up. And they look good, so it's time to plate. Let's plate these up. Potatoes underneath. What do you think, Mom?
Good.
Finally, you're happy. That's it. It's ready. Are you ready to eat?
Yes, sure.
You hungry? You want to taste this?
If you want.
So I can take a nice photo. No.
Yes.
Soft?
Delicious.
Ok. Pronta? Buon appetito!
Buon appetito!